proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. I got my suitcase right here. So, yep. Here it is, the 22 pieces 1/2 inch socket set. Okay. So, ito yun guys, isa pa malaking suitcase ko. Ooh! So, ito guys, ito yung inclusion niya. Ayun. Kita niyo ba? Ayun. Ang ganda ng suitcase niya guys. Ito siya guys. May cover ulit, which is good. Oh! Oh! Yan guys, nakikita niyo ba? It's matte finish and happy. Yan. So guys, as usual, suitcase is closed. And I shall show you sa close-up. Papararam! So, ito na yung ating suitcase. Tolsen suitcase, please open. Ayan. So, meron tayong spark plug set na dalawa. Tapos, ito yung mga metric socket. 15 pieces siya, guys. So, nakikita nyo, it's matte finished. Ayan. Ayan. Then, makikita mo dito may ratchet ka. Tapos, meron ka universal joint. Ayan. Tapos, meron ka din makikita dito na 3-way adapter. Ayan. O, diba? May 3-way adapter ka pa dito sa, suitcase. Amazing! Tapos, ito yung extension bar. Same sila nito. Mas shorter lang to kaysa dito. Ito yung longer. So, that's all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. I hope may natutunan kayo. And please look forward sa future videos namin. And please support Tolsen by watching yung mga dating videos. And like, share, and subscribe. So, thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.